This is part 2 on Rain Bash. Da-na-na. Okay, we're going back to the same puddle. Sorry if it's really blurry. Okay, let's go. Take her into the puddle, my friend. Don't go as fast as it can through the puddle, okay? So, surprisingly, the Savage lasted through last Rain Bash. I'm not sure how, because this thing isn't waterproof, but this is proven wrong, man. And I'm really happy about that. How proven wrong Savage, the HPI is. Because they say all our trucks are not to be used in water unless you want to be able to pay for blah blah blah, right? So we technically fixed this thing up really well, I guess. I mean, it's all stock. The only thing we replaced is the front bumper, because it broke, right? So, like, it's still stock, which is so weird that it's running straight. Is it dying? No. Okay. So yeah, we're having a great time up here. So, this is like the visit we took last year to Snake Road. That was fun, but we didn't get any videos of it. Okay, wait, stop the truck for a second. And this is an E-Savage. Just making sure you guys know that. Not a fake phony Savage Flux system that we just put a different body on it. So, E-Savage. It's got the geeky tires and everything, my friends. Oh, and we're going to be making videos of the E-Revo. It won't be water bash because you got the Mamba and Lipos. So basically it'll be like speed runs or bashing, but not in the mud or anything. Like at the bike park or something. We brought this thing up in the red wagon, if you can see that over there. Yeah, see that red blotch? That's what we brought the truck up in, so we didn't waste any batteries. Go full speed into the puddle. Did you see that, people? Can we do that again for the camera? Is it dying or no? Cool. Do that again for the camera. No, straight through the puddle. We're getting so wet out here, it's not even funny, but whatever. It's worth it to make a good bashing video. Full speed, man. Did you see that, man? That was great. It was so freaking gimp. I love it. Can I try? Come on, man. Okay, now no excelling through that anymore. Even though it'll probably end up ruining our truck through this. Whatever. I guess. You know what? Whatever. Do what you want. Bring your full speed this way through all that. He's owning, and this is my buddy. First time driving in a legit RC car, so he's doing really good. waterproof. We can email HPI and we can get a credit because we figured it out. Rocket. It's splashing so much. It's hilarious. Wow, I'm still so freaking surprised that they say it's not, but it is. Dang it. Ooh, we spun out. That was nice. I don't know. I mean, it's not the best quality with it on the camera, but watch out, car. There's a car coming! Ah! Go, 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 go! Ripper! Don't lay off the throttle. Keep going. Yeah, we have a Ziploc bag over my camera. I mean, I guess it works. This part 2 might be a little longer than last because we took her up in the wet wagon and we probably killed it a bit on the way up here. So yeah. Okay, full throttle all the way through this puddle. Like all this.
Okay.
Into the middle of the big one too. Now this might be a show, ladies and gents. I think I'm the only one on YouTube who's not broken his E-Savage going in the water. Maybe it's just because I don't use it much. Same with the E-Revo. I used to go through water into Mamba and it did nothing. I guess they're just saying I have to be safe. But hey, then again, if it can, then they're giving out false facts. Whatever. Wow, look at how much water's coming out of that puddle. It's like running all down there, all that mud water. Yeah, we're going to like a mud puddle. So. I wish there was actual mud, not just water. Okay, can I try now? Come on then. Please. Really quick. Like 1 or 2 ones. Come on. Was that full speed?
Yeah.
Is that?
What?
Is that? No? Okay, good. Can I try now?
Full speed.
Can I try now? Please, 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 please. Come on, Mark. It's been 8 minutes. You've been driving the full amount last time. Come on.
Well,
get up.
You did it the whole thing too.
Yeah, 8 minutes, but so it's been 8 minutes. Now we have to take turns. Come on. Marcus.
No.
Give me the remote, man. Not cool. I got it. Here, now you film.
No.
Okay.
Can we walk up there more?
Dude, please, can you please film?
Why can't I drive?
Oh, my truck's dead. Yeah, she's done. Bashing, we might do another aftermath or so. But, yeah, okay.
I'm gonna drive it.
See ya.